Every gentrification starts with a storytelling, and this predominantly happens in Brussels. Very often we get to hear, Brussels, the capital of Europe. Officially speaking, there is no capital of Europe. It just happened that the most important institutions are located in Brussels. And as Matteo argues in this book, the economy that's based on the European institutions is barely 1/7 of Brussels. Yet we say, Brussels, the capital of Europe. And then this story is largely exploited by the developers. Look, for example, these developers and investors over here. Place for expats in Brussels, the capital of Europe. Book your apartment with a view over the canal. You see, this is the story. There's another story being exploited here.
The social mix around the canal,
and especially in the area of Molenbeek and Anderlecht, is very needed so we can increase the financial income in those areas. Well, when the story of social mix is being exploited by those that are financially more powerful, then there is something tricky over here. Simple question: why, for example, we cannot make social mix of poorer income families moving into social housing into the richer areas of Brussels? That's economically not possible, nor there is a political will about it. And I'll tell you what's happening over here. Instead of finding socio-economic sustainable manners of developing the low-income areas, the capital is in fact trying to find soft spaces where to spread from the southern part of the city, slowly being distributed along the canal and penetrating towards the northern area. And this is the major thing of capitalism. It needs to spread, and it loves to spread quickly. And the quickest way of spreading the capital is to be invested in de-invested areas. And how do you do it? By making a beautiful story.